My name is Denny Moore. I'm 74 years old. My occupation is a professional linguist, a researcher in Amazonia. I study indigenous languages. I live here in Belém. She was very friendly, enthusiastic, smart, and positive. She's like her mother. Mother's a very positive person, very friendly and generous and very nice. I just remember being in her house, and remember their house, they had a little dog who acted like a human being. It would go in its bed and it would be covered up at night and it would just stay there like it was a child. Laura was there and I remember that so well, My goodness, I'm not sure I have any, I'm fairly good at analyzing languages, I think, but I wouldn't say it was a superpower. Well, here there's a lot of poor people, It would be better if there was a better standard of education, certainly, and if there's more prosperity for people. Here it's quite a poor region in the north, so it's not like, I think, in the south it is... there's more economy, São Paulo and so on, more manufacturing. Here in the north, there's less of that. Well, we've brought along a lot of scientific development in the Museu Geldi, which is the place where I work. So we've trained a lot of good Brazilian students, people getting their PhDs from the United States, from Holland, from other countries, and coming to work. Also training in good standards in Brazil. So that I'm very proud of. We've been able to get a lot of things done for that. And we've been able to get a number of things done for indigenous groups. I work in Amazonia, so we do projects for that. And we being myself and the people that work with me, because a lot of those people trained with me originally. But we're doing a lot of documentation, which is going to be in the future, I think, very, very important, because these things are disappearing, and so it's good to have registers of these in video. With video, as you can see right now, with this, that it's just like being there, So we can document a lot of things that are in danger of disappearing, a lot of traditional things from the indigenous groups. I'm very proud about, being involved in that. I think it's very worthwhile. Well, I'm extremely fond of acai, which is not exactly a vegetable. But that's something they have in Pará, It's this thing which is getting some fame abroad. But it's a very interesting food. It looks like purple mud, and it has this vegetable taste to it, which is, I think, really delicious. But for my spirit, I think that's what I need. That he'd be himself, and that have good relations, and you can count on each other. It's interesting across cultures because, you people are dealing with that even on this, that I started working with an indigenous group 40 years ago. I still have a bunch of friends there. I still go back and we're still all friends. We're still talking about, the old days and stuff that we did together, and those weird things that we did. And, everybody cares about each other. They follow my life. They're all happy that I'm going to have a son, and they'll like meeting my wife, and, it's a great thing. It's interesting how it is possible even with tremendous difference. I mean, this is an Amazonian indigenous group, right? And I'm from a farm in Michigan, right? But it is what you people are showing, I think, in this, that you can make friendships across all kinds of culture, and you become part of each other's lives. It's something that makes you feel good, and I think it's important for your mental health, to have friends, to have people that you care about, and to have involvement with the people, that be doing things together with people, also helping people and contributing and interacting. I think that's really important for you, and it makes you feel better, and it gives you a happy experience, really. Well, I have a number of friends where I work, and they're great people. So I'm fortunate that I work with people who are cool. They're very smart, and nobody has a big ego. Everybody cooperates, and that's very great. And for other friends that we meet, but a lot of people I meet through work. Also, my wife's Brazilian relatives, have a lot of friends there amongst her family. Yes, it's easy in Belém. Brazilians are very sociable, much more so than the Americans. We're just standing here 5 minutes ago, and somebody just walked up, introduced himself, asked about what we were doing. He had all kinds of things to say. He's a very nice guy, you know. And so it's possible, you know, just strike up a talk with people. And people are friendly, you know. It's very nice. You never feel lonely here, you know. You don't have that feeling that you have, like, for example, in the United States. Yes, we have lots of friends who are women, and we work with people who are women. And you know, I have one woman who works with me for half of her life. I think she's worked with me for something like 25 years, and we're good friends. And a lot of other people, you know, that are friends. You know, it's perfectly possible, you know. Okay, well, you're going to talk with Sebastian Jude, who is a German fellow who is a linguist here. He's working with us now on a fellowship.